Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you EyeDropper tool, ColorSampler tool, Ruler tool, Note tool and Count tool in Adobe PhotoShop. We will not learn 3D material EyeDropper tool in this lecture because this tool is basically for 3D. So when we will learn 3D menu at that time I will teach you 3D material EyeDropper tool. Getting me? So the first tool which we are going to learn, that is EyeDropper tool. So what is the work of EyeDropper tool? Let's say if I want to take the sample of his hairs. So what I do, I will go in the toolbox and I will click on EyeDropper tool. And what I do, I will come here and what I do, I will just simply click. As I click, as you can see that right now I have his hair color getting me. So let's say if I want to take his face color, I can getting me. So let's say in your picture, if you want to get the color of anything, so definitely with the help of EyeDropper tool you can getting me. But the problem is that if I take, for example, if I click, so definitely now showing this color, but if I click again, so now it will show this color getting me. But let's say if I want to save his hair color, so what I do, first I will click and definitely I will get his hair color definitely. And what I do, I will double click on it, and after this I have an option called add to swatches. So definitely I will click on add to swatches, and now it's asking that okay, give name. So I say that my color, and after this what I do, I will simply click on OK. And now definitely if I come in swatches panel, definitely I have this color getting me. But if you are not able to see, this definitely this panel, so what you need to do, you need to come in window, and here we have the option called swatches. So simply click on it, and when you click, definitely it will come here getting me. So as you can see that right now I have this. For example, if I take move tool and if I come here getting me, so definitely I have this color getting me. So as you can see that right now I have my color getting me. So whenever you want to save your color, so definitely what you need to do, you need to double click on it and definitely click on add to swatches, and it will add to swatch getting me. So this is the work of EyeDropper tool. So what is the work of EyeDropper tool? With the help of EyeDropper tool we can take the color of anything getting me. Then what do we have next? We have ColorSampler tool. So what is difference between EyeDropper tool and ColorSampler tool? Let's see. If I come in the toolbox and if I click on ColorSampler tool, and what I do, if I just simply click, as I click, now as you can see that now it's showing 1 and it's also showing 1 here getting me. If I click again, as you can see that now it's showing 2 and it's also showing 2 here getting me. So what is doing, definitely if I click, so definitely it gives RGB value of this area getting me. So definitely in this area, definitely the amount of definitely R, G and B definitely now is showing me. And if I click, definitely now showing me definitely RGB, definitely RGB of this area definitely. So now it's showing that R is here 229, G 198 definitely, and B 166 getting me. And definitely, so what basically RGB is, RGB basically stand for definitely red, green, blue. And definitely if we talk about any color, so definitely it is made up of this color getting me 3 colors. So RGB. So let's say if I want to know that okay, how definitely let's say if I want to know the RGB of this part, so definitely what I do, I'll just simply click and definitely it will show me RGB of that part getting me. It's very simple. Then what do we have next? We have ruler tool. Ruler tool is basically for measurement. Let's say if I want to measure this part, for example, if I want to measure this part, so what I do, I will come in a toolbox and I will click on ruler tool. And as you can see that now my cursor has been changed. What I do, I will just simply click and drag. As you can see that now I am getting this line, and also it's showing definite options, definitely showing the exposition, the Y value, the width and height, definitely the angle, everything getting me. Let's say if I want to measure this part, I will just simply click and drag. Now it's giving me values of this getting me. So let's say if you want to measure any part, so definitely with the help of ruler tool you can do. Now what do we have next? We have Note tool. This is very useful tool. Let's say that if I am working on one project getting me, and definitely let's say that if I am working on one project and I'm not the only one who is working on this project, okay, but let's say if I have one more, for example if I work 9 to 5 getting me, and after me that someone else comes getting me. So let's say if I want to tell him that okay, I have done this work, I have done this work, what I do, I will take the help of Note tool. For example, if I just simply click, now as you can see that now I have this cursor, means that I can type. So for example, if I say okay, my brother I have completed this, I have completed this, getting me. So definitely here you can type your note, getting me. And when someone will come, for example, let's say that I'm that person. Okay, so let's say that if I'm seeing this, what I do, I will just double click on it, and it's gonna see that now I'm able to see the message, getting me. So let's say if you want to give message to someone, definitely with the help of this note tool you can keep. Here we have the option. The first option is for the color. Let's say if I want to change the color of this, what I do, I'll just double click, and here I have an option. I say this color, okay, and it's gonna see that now I have this color, getting me. And if I want to remove all this node, what I do, I will just simply click on clear all. Now it's asking, do you really want it? I say I really want to. I will click on it. As you can see that now I don't have any node anymore, getting me. So nodes are very useful. Count is also very useful. What I do, I will come in a toolbox and I will click on count tool, and I will zoom a little bit. Okay, it's too much. Okay, it's fine. And what I do, I will just simply click, or I should take one new layer. It's fine, and definitely I will color it, not this one. Okay, it's fine. And what I do, I will go in a toolbox and I will click on count tool, and if I click, as you can see that now I'm getting numbers, and definitely also bullets, getting me. So let's say if you want to get something like this, so with the help of count tool you can getting me. Here we have the option. For example, if you want to change the color of this, you can also change. What you need to do, you need to double click on it and change the color, and definitely it will appear here, getting me. And if you want to change the size of this marker, definitely you can also change. At this time is 10. If you want to change, if you say 30, definitely it will also come here, getting me. So let's say if I say 30 and enter, or say that it should be between 1 to 10, so it's fine. If I say, okay, let's say that if I say just 3, and if I click, as you can see that now I have this, getting me. So let's say if you want to change the size of this, definitely you can also change here, getting me. And if I click, definitely I will get the numbers, getting me. So in this lecture, what have we learned? We have learned EyeDropper tool, ColorSampler tool, ruler tool, node tool, and count tool in Adobe Photoshop. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture, and exercises, come to my website www.davidplace.com. Allah Hafiz, and I will meet you in the next session. Till then, Allah Hafiz.